I know a lot of you are holding in stress in your face. You're holding it, you're clenching, you're feeling the tension of the holiday season, you're going into a stressful work environment, whatever the issue is. In today's video, I'm going to give you an easy hack that you can do in the comfort of your home, on the way to work, on the way to pick up your children, at home, watching a movie, wherever you are, and it's only going to take you 30 seconds to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our tongue, and obviously you can't see what I'm doing right now, and you're going to place it at the top roof of your mouth. You're going to kind of apply a little pressure, and when you do so, you're going to jolt the jaw out just a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to stretch the TMJ. So here we go. Now obviously you can't see the inside of my mouth, but as you hold your tongue up at the roof of your mouth, you're going to slide the bottom of your mouth out and stretch that TMJ joint. So here we go. And you come back. You're going to do that for 30 seconds and try to hold it as long as you can. Obviously, as you do that, you're going to feel a tremendous stretch right around the pterygoid and the masseter muscles here. So we got the masseter and the pterygoid muscles that hold a lot of stress. It's one of the strongest muscles in the entire body that's overworked and underlooked. And what we do, and we don't realize it, that could either be through poor posture, it could be through lack of stimulation, so you're not exercising maybe as much, you're working on the computer long hours, so you're clenching, even while you're asleep you're clenching, so that muscle's getting worked all the time and we don't even realize it. So you need to take at least 30 seconds in your day, put the tongue at the top roof of your mouth and stretch that jaw muscle out like this. You should feel a tremendous stretch right in this region right here. It looks silly doing it, but you're doing wonders for your body. Over time, you'll start to stretch that muscle out, and that's going to relieve a lot of issues and tension that you feel in your jaw area and your face region. It's going to kind of loosen up that fascial chain that's been so tightly gripped on. After doing this exercise for just even a day, you'll be astonished on how quickly your nervous system restores and how much better you feel having a lighter approach in the facial region, and neurologically you'll start to feel a lot better in your day-to-day. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible, but in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you in the next video.